3 classes I'm taking. Only once if you wish, it's enough. Just imagine ma'am has to wish everybody good morning, good morning. Okay, now get ready for the class. Only once if you wish, enough. Get ready. Now within 2 minutes we'll start. 1 minute, 1 minute. And after class, just 10 minutes I will talk to you all and you can show me the pictures you have drawn in any, EVS and all that. You can show me the work you have done and I'll tell you correctly what work you have to do. Okay, now. Yes. Now I think we can start. Now listen. Now you have to take page 35. Just look at the screen. Take page 35, write today's date. 3/8/2020. Slowly I will tell you. And nothing in a hurry. Parents, please help us by not telling the answer to the children. After that, you must not tell. Children are not understand. I'm just talking. I don't want anybody to switch on the camera or the mic. Now listen. I want children to do everything by yourself. You have any doubt, you can ask me. And no answer from the parents. Please, now listen now. As soon as I open the screen, they will ask whether to write. Look at the screen. Page 35, 36, we are going to do now. So you have to write on page 35 today's date. 3/8/20. And when you finish that, even you can write and keep for the next page. Now we are just going to start. Now look at the animals. Now I'm going to call out the names. 1 minute. Morning I called some names. Yeah. Now different. No, please children, that is different. This is different. This is textbook exercise. We have to complete. You just wait. Okay, we are just going to do it. Pritika, no. Samantha, sweetie is not there. Shashwada, finish answering. Next set of Adonia. I want you to do the textbook. Now, I want you to tell me. Now, animals in a jungle participate in a race. Now, I want you to write the date and just look at the animals and help me. Now, Adonia, are you there, Adonia? Morning also. Adonia. No. Akshara. What happened to the children? Nobody is there. Effie. Now, just look at the animals. If you have done also, you just tell me the answer. I want to. Yes, Effie. Now, Effie. Yes, Effie. Good morning. Now, who is first there in a race? Who is first? Yes.
And the tiger is the first.
Tiger stood first. Now, did you write this answer in your book?
Yes, ma'am.
You put a tick mark over there. Just correct it because I want everybody to complete the textbook work. If it's given homework, you just see now. Okay, you just see. Now, I want next person after Effie, Fatima.
Ma'am, it's a homework.
Now listen, 1 minute. Children, now who's this person? Fatima. Is it Fatima?
Yes, ma'am.
Fatima, did you do this in your textbook before?
Yes, ma'am.
Now I want you to correct it. Okay, I just want you to put a tick mark when I answer. Now, who is Fatima? Please answer me. Fourth in the race.
Giraffe. Giraffe is fourth.
Only tell the name. Giraffe. So you just put a tick mark. Now, anyone did not do this. Please do now with me. Giraffe and put a tick mark. Anyone? Those who did not do, please do it with me. Because we haven't answered this in class. Now, next is Joshika Mary. Now just look at the animals and who is reaching second? Who is reaching second, the position? Joshika. Joshika, answer me. Joshika. I'm waiting for Joshika. Only when Joshika answers, I will go to the next person. Joshika, tell me who is second.
Rabbit is second.
No, only tell the name. Rabbit. Joshika, did you do this before? Yes or not? No problem. If you haven't done, did you do this before? Joshika, did you write this before? No.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, Joshika, when I ask you a question, answer. So the answer is rabbit. Put a tick there, everybody. A rabbit. You will get different pictures and you'll have to answer. Now, Kanira, who got the fifth prize also you can tell. Which position? Who is standing fifth here? Fifth.
Elephant, ma'am.
Did you write, Kanira?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Now, elephant. Put a tick mark. Elephant. Elephant stood fifth. Now, Kayalina. This question goes to Kayalina. Kayalina, see the last person in the list. See the last person in the list. See the last person in the list. Yes. Kayalina, see. See this now. When I call Kayalina, she will never answer. I told her mother. She said no. Now, Kayalina, are you there, Kayalina? Yes, I'll wait. Kayalina, I want you to answer the last one. Who is last in a race over here? Last person, see the last animal. No answer. Mishti, Mishti.
Yes, ma'am.
Now who's last, Mishti? Not able to run, walking and coming.
Ducky, ma'am.
No, who? No, last one in the picture. See? Bear, it's a bear.
Sorry, ma'am.
B-E-A-R, bear. It's a bear. It's not monkey. Okay. See that brown color? Bear. Last one is bear. I think all of you got the answer now. Now, take your next page. I will come back to this page later. Take your next page. Turn your next page. Turn your next page. Have you seen all the hats over here? We did classwork before with something else. Now this is your textbook. 1 minute. 1 minute. I will call one child. Mitra, yes. Mitra. 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 Mitra is not there. Mitra. Yes. Mitra, are you there? Somebody's. Yes, Mitra. Mishti, please don't play the fool. Now, Archand or Andit, can you tell me the answer? Shall I ask you one question? Andit,
Yes, ma'am.
Andit, have you done this page in your textbook? No, we have done it now. Yeah, now listen. Write today's date on top. When I tell Andit to do, all must do. Andit, just write today's date 3, 8, 20. Everyone. 3, 8, 20. Everyone. And write CW, classwork. CW is classwork. Classwork. Now I'll call one by one. You don't answer now. Andit, read the first question. Circle the
T.
third. THIRD.
Third
Hat
hat
from the left.
from the left.
So you just 1 minute. You keep your left hand on the first hat and count the third one. Circle the third hat from the left. First, 1 minute. Only I'm asking Anantit. Yes. You can tell me. Now you tell me whether what I'm doing is correct. Is it right, Anandit?
Yes, ma'am.
That's all, because you can't show me in your book now. You also do the same thing. Children, all of you mark third hat from the left. It will take time. Read the question carefully. Now, Archant, can you read the second question? Archant.
Yes, ma'am.
Read the second. When I call one person, only that person must answer. Others, please keep quiet. Now, Archant, read the second question. Circle. Circle.
Circle the
Fish.
fish from the right.
Right. So keep your right hand on the last fish. Right hand. And count from there. First, second, third, fifth. Now you just see whether what I'm doing is correct. Is it right? Very good. Now you also do this. You also do in between. Don't talk. Yes, easy for you to do because you have the pictures over there. Now I want 1 minute. Now I want Ashwant. Ashwant. Yes, 1 minute, Ashwant. Now see here. You know, I don't want any answer from anybody. I want Ashwant. 1 minute, Ashwant. Listen to my question. Now read. How many letters are in the word? Very good. Now football. You count. F is 1. You count and
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
See whether it's correct, ma'am's answer.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, when Ashwant was reading, all others were listening to Ashwant. So you got the correct answer, number 8. Thank you, Ashwant, and just wait.
Thank you.
Ashwant, thank you. I will call the next person. Now you know the word football. You know the word football over there. Okay, you know the word football. Now, I want Cyrus. Now don't answer, listen to the question. Cyrus. Now read that after football, that question read. T, you know T.
Is in the dash place.
Now just count from your left side. T is in which place, position? First.
1, 2, first, second, third, fourth, fifth.
No. T. Again, you count from first, second.
First, second, third, fourth.
First you said fifth. Now it is fourth. You must be very, very careful. Now write this. S. Now write.
It's in fourth place, ma'am.
Yes. 1 minute. Don't say. T is in the fourth place. Thank you. Now don't answer, children, because some people will tell the answer from behind. I don't want. Now everybody finish writing fourth place. T is in the fourth place. Okay. Now I want next person. After Cyrus, Ritik. Yes, Ritik. Only Ritik. Read only first. That O.
O's in the
Only the first.
dash and dash places.
Listen to me. Now, O, two O's are there. First O is in which place? You read from there. First, then
Second, third,
1 minute. The problem is children are not listening. Now, you got F. That is first. O is which place? Which position?
second and third.
Second. So 1 minute. Very good. Second. So first one is second. And see here, third. Understood? First one is second. And you have third places. O is in the second and third places. O is in the second and third places. Check the spelling. S-E-C-O-N-D, second, and T-H-I-R-D, third places. Now, I want John Matthew Thomas to answer the last question. Dash is in the, read that.
How?
No, please listen to me, John. You read that dash is in the 7th place. Read that question, dash. Just say
Dash
that.
is in the 7th place.
Now, which letter is in the 7th place? Count from left and tell me. First, second, position same.
First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh. L, ma'am.
What is 7th? 1 minute, let me also count. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, 7th. So 7th place, which one? Letter L. Now this is the way you have to do. You will get different word. And I'll ask you a question. Okay, anytime we'll keep test for you. Now, next person is Kevin Johnson. Kevin.
Ma'am,
Only answer me. Only answer. How many fruits are there? Count and tell me. Only numbers. 1,
2, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Yes, the answer is 7. Thank you, Kevin. That's all. Now, after Kevin, Kushagra Jain. Kushagra.
Yes, ma'am.
Now read the last one, last sentence. Read last sentence. Read last sentence. Which fruit? Yeah.
Which fruit is in the fourth place
From the
from
left. Only they are not asking for second and all. Asking the name of the fruit. Count from left. Count from left. Yes.
1, 2, 3, 4. Mango, ma'am.
Very good. You got mango. Now, have you seen, now you finished that. Fun time, have you seen fun time over there in your textbook, children? Fun time. Now, I want Lokesh, can you read fun time, what is given in the textbook? From your textbook. 1 minute. Let us be the, please read, Lokesh. Fun time from your textbook. Lokesh. What about Mithilesh?
What?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Mithilesh. 1 minute, ma'am. Just read the fun time, what is given in your textbook there. Color. See. Color. Please do it. Color. The first. First. Fourth and 7th. 1 minute, children. 1 minute. Now, I want to see everybody now. I want you to color. Take out the red color, green color, and blue. Okay. Now, I want to see children. Please, children, nothing on the screen now. Now, take out children. 1 minute. Now, Mithilesh, yes. Turn on your camera, I want to see you, Mithilesh. Mithilesh, turn on your camera. Yes, Mithilesh, don't worry about it. Now take out your textbook. Textbook. Yeah. Everybody, when I speak, I want all the children. Listen, I want. Now listen. Yes, now we are going to do something. I want everybody to come. One by one, I'll call Mithilesh. Now, take out your color pencil, Mithilesh. Is it ready? You have to take, everybody take red, green, and what is the other color? Red, green, blue. Now, color the first one. Start coloring, children. The first one, red. Color the first ice cream. Everybody, you can turn your camera. Turn on your camera. I can see you coloring. Turn on your camera, children. No problem. I can see everybody. Cyrus. Yes. And color. Color I want to see. Color.
We take green, red, and blue.
Listen to me. Only the first cake red. I will tell you what you have to do. Color the first, fourth, seventh. First you color the first one. I want to see you. Yes.
The first one, color which color, ma'am?
Red. Listen. No, down cakes. No need to show now. 1 minute. Start coloring. Red, then you finish doing it. Okay, wait. Yes, some children finished doing it. That's what they are showing. Those who did not do now. Very good. Those who finish, you can show to me. Very good. Parents can give a star for them. Okay. Those who finish doing. Yes. Yes, Iris. Did you do?
Ma'am, you gave homework.
Yes. Then see, some children did not do, Cyrus. Let them do it now. Okay, 1 minute. You can show me the. Yes, Cyrus. Somebody is talking, please. Now listen.
Ma'am, I have done my work.
Yes, show me. Yeah. Those children, those who did not do it. Yes. Sri Mukilan, just lift your book. Let me see. Yeah. Those who fit. Yeah, you. No, I cannot see the cupcakes there. Sri Mukilan, just come to the camera. Yes. Those who finished, very good. Others, please do it.
Mommy,
Yes. Now 1 minute. See, some children are doing now. That's what I want everybody to complete. Yes, Kevin, did you do it? No, they are doing it. Sri Mukilan's father, let them speak, please. Okay, I saw Sri Mukilan. Yes, you can. Yes, Alan, you can show. Yes.
second color.
Which one? First one. Children, see this. 1 minute. Those who finish coloring, you can just show me. I am seeing it. Those who did not do. Now, first one, red. Then count fourth one, red. You read what is written there. Color the first, fourth, and seventh red. Okay. Slowly do it because it will take time. Those who finish showing me can keep the book down. And you can learn the spelling for first, second. The previous page you take, children, 35 page. Those who finish drawing, 1 minute, listen to me. Those who finish drawing, you can take page 35. Listen to me. I don't know how to stop. Listen, children. Only children should talk in class, not parents. Now, those who finish drawing, I will ask you one by one. Those who finish drawing, take out your home study and take page number 35. I want you to write one time, first to 10th number, see, FIRST first, SECOND second, because I don't want you to waste your time. Others are giving color to the cupcake. You just write the spelling of this first, second, and the last line page 35. Cyrus, did you get me? Page 35, last you see, first, second, third, fourth. That spelling, one time you write in your home study. Yes. Then no need, home study. You write maths and you write. Thank you, Cyrus. Now all must do. Don't disturb others. Those who did not color, you can color. Yes, good, good. Shashwata, you can write the spelling first to 10th in your home
Before I
study.
ordered to read this song.
Page 35. Page 35. Now, let me help others. Color the first, fourth, and seventh cups red. Those who did not color. Mithilesh, did you do it? Yes. Mithilesh, take 35 page. Those who finish coloring, take page 35. First, second, third spelling. Write in your home study once. F-I-R-S-T. When I give you test, write the missing letters. You have to write F-I-R-S-T. Sai Vasavi, did you color? Sai Vasavi, did you color? Yes. Sai Vasavi, did you color? Shaina, did you finish coloring the cupcakes? Show me your book, Shaina. Show me your book. Show me your book. Yeah. Now take 35 page, Shaina. 35. Just before that. Before that. See, first spelling, have you seen the last one? Yes. Last column, you see. Turn. Shaina, see. Last column, have you seen first? F-I-R-S-T in your textbook.
Yes, ma'am.
You just write first to 10th spelling in your home study. Those who finish coloring. First, F-I-R-S-T. See Kanira, how quietly she's sitting and coloring. Kanira, have you completed all? Show me. Yes, good.
Cardinal or ordinal, ma'am?
No. You just see the last one. That cardinal, ordinal numbers. Last one, you see my last one. That ordinal numbers. Did you see first, second? Under the heading, ordinal numbers. Take 35 page. Did you get it, Kushagra? 35 ordinal numbers. F-I-R-S-T. F-I-R-S-T, Kanira. Write first, second, because you got 5 minutes more, I think so. You don't waste time. First, F-I-R-S-T. Good, Kailina. Kailina, where were you when I called you? At once went off. Okay, now, don't get scared. Right. See something, Kevin. Very good, Kevin. Just write today's date on top, Kevin. F-I-R-S-T first. Now, those who didn't come on the screen, you can come. I want to see you all writing. Other children. Altogether got 40 children. Yes. Second. S-E-C-O-N-D. Second.
I finished.
Color.
Okay, now. Yes. As children, I can see everybody, okay? I can see everyone, those who are on the screen. Shamma, Sanjay, good. Now you can write the spelling, Ritik. F-I-R-S-T first. F-I-R-S-T first. Yes, those who finish coloring, Shamma. Yes, Kevin, good, Kevin. Yes, Jeff. All must complete the spelling. All must complete the spelling. First to 10th. First to 10th. Yes, Kevin. Yeah, that same page. Very good, sir. See how he's showing the page as well as the work he did. Kushagra, did you get the page, Kushagra? Yes, finished. Very good. Tridip, did you write?
Ma'am, I finished, ma'am.
Yes, good. Yes, Sanjay, Effie. Now you have to learn the spelling every day because that's very, very important. First, second. And the short form also. Yeah, Cyrus. Short form also. Then I told you, children, in English, which page you have to complete? Page number?
35.
No, in English.
13.
13. 1 minute. Number 13, coloring. Color the board. Nice picture. Nice color you must give. And you must not do kachamucha work, like bad work. Okay, you must do neat work. I will ask you to show tomorrow. And what all work we have to do in the class work, I'll give you tomorrow. Because see, Kevin is taking the photograph. Now I think all are very fresh. Plus you're tired because 3 periods. You can take rest after some time. And those who have to attend special class, you have to go. Now, what special class do you have today? Each one will have different. Okay. Cyrus, what special class today?
Ma'am, I don't have special class, ma'am.
What is
I
that?
have Thursday and Monday special class, ma'am.
Okay. Good.
Ma'am, I don't have special class.
Okay. Cyrus, when is your English class? Cyrus, when is your English class? So, I thought I will send the link. Okay.
I have
Yes.
English special class.
Now, 1 minute. I want to talk to you all. Hereafter, you must join to a link. Okay. But don't be going here and there because children are missing. So you must not go here and there. Complete your page number 13 in your textbook. Okay, English textbook. And tomorrow we will have special class. I will send the link. Yes, children, speak. Yes. Tell me.
See my cupcake.
1 minute. Okay, I'll see. 1 minute.